Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I'm getting ready to sow the first seeds for 2018. The chilies that my friend gave me, I've saved some of the seeds here, so I'm going to sow them. These are Scotch bonnets and they are some other sorts of peppers. I'm not quite sure. So they'll be going in there, and I've got these hold 20, so 10 of each go in there. I'm going to try 20 because I don't have that much success with anything, so do more than I need. If they all come through, fine, fair enough, I've got a lot of plants. If not, or I can give them my parents. But these are the Roma variety, Alicante. I'm going to do some beetroot, turnip, broccoli and cauliflower, tumbling toms and spring onions, and I've got these egg boxes which will pull out. I'll cut them up actually and put them in the lid, because normally I sow raw beans and I don't know where I put them. I'll find them in a minute. Normally I sow my raw beans in toilet paper cardboard rolls. I haven't got them, and I don't fancy going out because it's raining again and digging around for my pots for put me runner beans in. So I thought I'd plant 2 at each, and with them this being cardboard, I can just take them out and plant them into the ground. That's my thought anyway. Whether it works out is another thing. But I wonder where I put my raw beans. There. So they're the raw beans. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'll get started on these, and then when they're all done, I'll show you the setup that I've got this year for my sun lamp, heat lamp, the thing. See in a moment where my lamp is anyway. I'll show you in a bit. There we are. I haven't got any labels, so I put stickers on them saying what's there, but that tray, which is about 30 inches by about 18 inches, is now full, and I have put broad beans in there. They aren't going to stay there for that long. As soon as they're starting to break the surface, they're moving into the porch, and they will be repotted on once I find my pots. But it feels good to have dirt under your fingernails again, but it also feels bad because you've got to clean them all out again. But yeah, 2018, bring it on. Thank you. Bye.
It's a